Have you reinstated him?
My lords,
Have you reinstated him?
we haven't yet reinstated him because
First you reinstate.
my lords,
Ah.
my lords may just hint that as far as his wages are concerned, that will be
In
decided.
contempt proceedings, scope is limited.
The entire process takes some time because we have already issued letters. The grounds of appeal has been prepared.
Sir, why you are
everything
not
is done.
reinstated? Why you are not reinstated?
Problem with us was with respect to his reinstate because it was my lord's order that you have to reinstate him as well as pay his wages. Now the issue is with respect to the wages because our stand is, since my lords has already
No
entered
work,
into
no
it.
pay.
No, he was a daily wage. My lords, then there's one humble submission, just one. My lords may grant me a further week's time within
No, not even a single minute.
Serial number 10, Sanjay Kumar Mehta versus the State of Bihar for the petitioner Sri Raj Kumar Misra.
May we please your lordship? May we please your lordship?
Where is the order?
Order dated.
Order is
14,
Annexure 1.
20, 20.
Order is Annexure 1, that is page 11. That's the order dated 14/12/2021. In this, my lords had directed, had quashed his termination and had directed that he should be reinstated and his wages be paid within 2 months. My lords, I am for the state respondents. We have filed a show cause, and my lords, the stand of the respondents is that they have perused the file, seeked opinion and all that, and they have decided to challenge it in the intra-court appeal, this order.
File it. It is your right. But subject to result of the LPA, you comply.
Well, in that case, my lords,
Have you reinstated him?
my lords,
Have you reinstated him?
we haven't yet reinstated him because
First you reinstate.
my lords,
Ah,
because reinstatement will reinstate him. There is absolutely no problems
tomorrow.
over there.
By tomorrow.
And the issue is with the back wages. So if reinstatement is done, obviously there is the order of my
First
lords.
you reinstate, sir. Then we'll consider the remaining portion.
My lords, then can I make a prayer for my lord's kind consideration?
Huh?
Can I make a prayer with my leave for my lord's kind consideration? It may be taken up on next Wednesday, that's the next tied up day, and by that time we'll reinstate him, my lords.
Learn counsel for the respondent on instruction submitted that complainant would be reinstated before next within a week from today. Release this matter next Wednesday.
If my lords may kindly indicate just one thing, if it doesn't cause much inconvenience to my lords, we'll reinstate him. My lords may just hint that as far as his wages are concerned, that will be
In
decided.
contempt proceedings, scope is limited. You comply or not, that's all. Or show me a stay order, a stay of my order by the LPA bench.
My lords, the entire process, there's a humble submission, that is all. The entire process takes some time because we have already issued letters, the grounds of appeal has been prepared.
Sir, why you are
everything
not
is done.
reinstated? Why you are not reinstated?
The only problem with us was with respect to his reinstate because it was my lord's order that you have to reinstate him as well as pay his wages. Now the issue is with respect to the wages because our stand is, since my lords has already
No
entered
work,
into
no
it.
pay.
No, he was a daily wage earner, so no work. That was literally our stand is.
Who has
But
prevented? Who has prevented him in discharging the duties? Who has prevented? How can you blame the complainant that he has not worked? No work, no play, no work, no wages is not. Their principle is not applicable
we'll file a fresh.
because it is beyond control. You have prevented him.
We haven't yet brought this on record, but our instruction, the instructions which I had received after talking to the
Sir,
respondents.
please say anything. If there is any interim order staying my order, then immediately I will adjourn the matter, subject to outcome of LPA, list this matter.
My lords, then there's one humble submission, just one. My lords may grant me a further week's time within
No, not even a single minute.
It'll-
He's a daily wager. You reinstate by tomorrow.
So it will come on next.
Shall I record?
My lords, just let me seek
Within
instruction.
1 week you reinstate him.
My lords.